Hi guys, today we're making slime. Okay, so we already opened the slime. First, we need to add the glitter. Okay, let me open the glitter. Okay, I was just thinking. Add glitter. Okay, that's too much. Now beads. Beads so cute. There we go. Put this in. Now my favorite part, these unicorn charms. They're so cute. They're so cute. Okay, put this one in. Okay, everybody has to know this by now. After you're done making the slime, which I am almost. Come on in, babe. Get these beads in. Okay, now everyone, let's try this. After you're done, you squeeze. Ah! The squeeziness is in. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hi. Die. Ride. Kite. Glide. Slide. Everybody ride. My ride is a kite. My ride is a kite. And I glide and I spide and I ride. I glide and I ride. Okay, this is good. Bye-bye.